Hi there, Dr. Rebecca here. My name is Valerie Salcedo. I'm just going to get right into this really quick so I can make this short and simple for you to grade. First things first, what is occurring during the ovarian cycle? So the ovarian cycle and the uterine cycle are closely coordinated by the hormones. The hormones secreted by ovary are at different phases of ovarian cycle. Triggers changes in the uterine thickness. At the beginning of the cycle, the levels of estrogen and progesterone are low to maintain uterine lining. About a week into ovarian cycle, the developing follicle increases its secretion of estrogen and estrogen levels in the body rises. It promotes uterine lining to proliferate and thickening of endometrium begins. And then just before ovulation, the level of estrogen reaches. So really quick, progesterone is when it maintains the thickening of endometrium and prepares the uterus for successful implantation of embryo. And then the estrogen helps in producing follicles and promotes thickening of endometrium. And then also really quick, the hormone secretion begins in hypothalamus. So GnRH is a releasing hormone that is secreted by hypothalamus and transported to anterior pituitary. It activates the Brand's membrane gene protein receptor. And then FSH and LH is released. FSH stimulates the follicle formation in ovary, and then LH stimulates the cells to produce progesterone by activating enzyme. And then for the second part, the uterine cycle, it describes the preparation of inner lining of uterus for implantation, and then this usually occurs within 28 days. This cycle consists of menses, which is menstruation, and this also has two different phases. So the phase number 1 is also known as the follicular phase. It starts on the first day of menstruation and ends with ovulation. It is promoted by thalamus. The pituitary gland releases FSH. This stimulates the ovaries to produce follicles. And then the second phase, it happens during ovulation. The egg bursts from the follicle, but the ruptured follicle stays in the surface of ovary. And then these hormones maintain the thickened white lining of the uterus. And yeah, so that explains my little presentation, and I hope you have a nice, wonderful year. And I just want to say thank you for helping me and grading my work. I personally have learned so much that I feel will be really helpful for the nursing. But yeah, so I just hope you have a nice day, and thank you for being a wonderful teacher. Bye!